Hey y'all, JR with United Country Virginia Realty. Check out this listing by Bill Baker and Chad Madison in the Sunset Cove community off of Ivy Hill Road in Clarksville, Virginia. Beautiful lakeside community. Multiple lots still available, just a few. But in this community, it features its own private boat ramp and community dock that you can certainly buy your slip and be able to enjoy your boat there on the water. You want to talk about where seclusion meets the ability to enjoy all that Bugs Island Lake and Kerr Lake have to offer. I think this is it. So if you're interested in touring this piece of property, I'd certainly love to show it to you. Don't hesitate to give me a call, 804-210-6533 to schedule a tour with me. We can get out there and you can certainly see at that point in time for yourself all that Island Creek and Sunset Cove have to offer you. So again, 804-210-6533, and let's schedule a time to get you out there. All right, y'all check it out.
Good morning, Bill Baker with United Country Virginia Realty on this beautiful Labor Day weekend. Down here putting up a new banner to celebrate the fact that we only have 5 opportunities left to buy into a beautiful estate parcel at Sunset Cove Reserve. These lots range from just a little over 1.5 acres to over 4 acres. Just a few hundred yards down the road to a private boat ramp. You can't beat that. And 2 public boat ramps, one in each direction, about 2 miles down the road. Right in the central part of the lake, easy access to great water at all times. Hey, come on down and look at these tracks. These are beautiful opportunities. And if you would like, there are dedicated dock slips available in the community dock that you could also add to your purchase. These are all reasonably priced. Give us a call today, 434-374-2011, right in the heart of Kerr Lake, Bugs Island, Sunset Cove Reserve. Get them now before they're gone.